With Business Central, being that it is a full-scale ERP, when you've posted an invoice, you can't exactly go and just delete an invoice. What you want to do is to create a credit. Now, against sales and credits, depending on the region, this is called a credit memo or a purchase credit adjustment note. I'm going to go into the credit note, and just here, the condition on using this is if you're using advanced warehousing, you'll want to be using a purchase return order to turn around and receive that, which will create your adjustment note. But being that we're going to do something which is not advanced inventory, I'm going to create a new document. From here, just select your vendor, and I'm going to say Nod Publishers. Okay, and it's better to get the original document through, so I can go process and copy document. In copying the document, it gives me the ability to look here for previous invoices. So I don't have one for non-publishers, but I do have one that I can use as an example, the Graphic Design Institute. So let's go have a look at that. I'm going to copy the header and replicate the lines. I'm not going to change the posting date. I could post this as of today as a credit return, but I could leave that blank. Replace the posting date, replace, that's all fine. And so from here, if I hit OK, she's now going to load the document, and you can see here that we ordered some chairs. This is from a previous demo that I've done. Now, I may not want the credit to apply to all those chairs. It may only be that it's for, let's just go and select these lines, manage and delete. It's just for the first chair, and it's for 3 units. And there's no location code stored against this, so this is a credit GDI chairs 101. Alright, so we've got ourselves the credit is effectively created. It's ready to go. You can see the amounts, and it will have copied those lines over as they are in the system. One thing to note is that you've got to choose with your credit note whether you apply that. So under adjustment details, we can look here and give a reason code. It's due to it being damaged. We can go to it applies to which invoice with GDI. So let's look here with GDI. I've got a bunch of invoices that are due here, and I'm going to apply this credit against pick one of the large ones. This one here. Just going to hit OK. Okay. Under application, applies to document invoice, applies to the document is just here. It would have given us it's the same applies to. I should have just done it here. Scroll down to that same document that I used. This one here. Just hit OK on that. Alright. And we're going to apply that, so the adjustment applies to it. There we go. Cool. At this stage, we've got ourselves a credit. As soon as we post this, it will turn around and it will post and adjust the quantity in stock as well as the relevant credit on the account. So let's go. Post. That's done.